SHIB itself, the token is down. It's fallen below that 1.3 level, kind of oscillating back and forth. What do? Do you have a plan? Do you let your emotions take over you? Are you worried? Are you stressed? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. As you can tell, I'm out for a walk, so I thought I would do a video for you guys. Because here's the thing, I've been doing this for a long time. Gray hair, right? Been investing for a long time. Been investing for 30 years plus, most of that in stocks. Obviously heavily invested in crypto years now, and covering, sorry for the wind, I apologize, covering SHIB every single day. And Shiba Inu is a gateway crypto, as I call it. We have a lot of people that come into crypto brand new, into A, crypto, but B, into investing as well. And so most people don't have a plan. Most crypto investors and most Shiba Inu investors don't have a plan. They don't really know what they're going to do on days like this where maybe it's down 3 or 4%. They tend to let their emotions take over, and that usually wrecks them in one way or the other. Usually costs them money. So my question to you is, what is your plan? If you don't have one, I'm going to give you one, okay? I'm going to help you through this. I'm in an area I don't know where I'm at, so I'm kind of just looking here. Okay, I'm going to go this way. Yeah, that's a dead end over there. All right, so my son's practicing lacrosse, and I'm walking in an area, part of town where we live, where I don't know. I've never been in here before, so I'm just walking. So anyway, here's the easiest plan I can give you. Only buy as much as you can afford and as much as you can lose. Now, Shiba Inu is not really a risky investment anymore. You know, back in the day, could have been, but that time is long past. Market capitalization over 7 billion, 7.3 billion, I think is the latest number, something like that. That's a huge market capitalization. It's not going anywhere. SHIB's not going anywhere. It's a blue chip, basically. It's a community token, blue chip. Your plan can be as simple as this. Number one, put into it only what you can afford to lose, although I think that's less risky. Number two, what is your cost basis? Know what your cost basis is. Number three, what is the amount of profit you want to make off your Shiba Inu investments? How much do you want to make? Do you want to make 30%, 40%, 20, 50, 100? Whatever the number is, it has to be reasonable. Shiba Inu, 100% return right now, that means that it would have to double your market capitalization. Not to say that it couldn't. But if you're looking at those types of returns, it's probably a longer term hold. It's a long position. It's a long hold. But you could be looking at maybe do some swing trades. Hey, I want to buy it today, and I want to make 15% on that. Again, I apologize for the wind. I want to make 15%. Then know that you bought it today for, say, 4013. Calculate what 15% on that is, and then whenever it hits that, sell. You just locked in 15% of profits. You got your basis back plus your 15% profit. It could be as simple as that. Just doing what I said is a plan. It is a plan that will ensure that you are successful in your Shiba Inu investment. Another plan, again, you could have different bags. You could have a bag of Shiba Inu where it's your swing trade bag. You could have a bag of Shiba Inu where you're doing long-term, long position holds, right? Just be realistic and take profits along the way. I've just given you a couple different variations on what that plan is. It can be a blend, long-term, swing trades, whatever it is. And then finally, take those profits, either A, reinvest them, or B, set them aside. Obviously, take out taxes. Any profits you make, account for taxes, and then invest them in other assets. There's your simple plan to be successful in Shiba Inu. What is your plan? Sorry for the wind again, guys. I'll see you. Have a good one. Go make some money. Bye.